Now the second question, take the set of natural number from 1 to 20 as universal set shows x and y are using Venn diagram, correct? So for the first question, x is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number. Natural number is from 1 to 3, but x is what between 7 to 15 means 7 से बड़ा है और 15 से छोटा. So start from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, correct? Next one, we have to make the big line first, and then we make the circle. In that circle, we have to first write what? Value of x 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and remaining you have to write outside. But left means 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then after 14 means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So then second one, y is equal to y, so the y belongs to natural. Y is the prime number from 1 to 20. Prime number means the number which can divide by the other number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Same way we make the box. In that box, y inside we have to write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like that. Then what is left? 1, then 2 is here, then 3, then 4 is here, then 5, 6 is here, 7, 8 is here, 9, 10, 11 is here, 12, then 13 is here, 14, 15 is here, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. In this way you have to do. Means whatever values are here you have to write in the inside box and remaining you have to write outside. Then third question is u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. U means what? Universal set. And p is equal to what? 1, 3, 7, 10. Then draw the Venn diagram u and p dash. See, u is universal, means inside u p is there. So you have to write u outside, inside p is containing 1, 3, 7, 10. What is left? 1, 3, 7, 10 is 1, 3, 7, 2 left, 2, 11, 12, 2, 8, 9, 11, 12 outside. See, from the universal set, from here, p and p dash will be make the u. Means whatever values are left with from p, that is our p dash. That if we want to say the object here, this one, p is 1, 3, 5, 6. From this, what is left? 1 is here, no, we don't write. Then 2 as it is. 8 is here, 9 is here, like that. P dash, p complement is what? P. So p is equal to p complement. P is equal to complement of p. Correct? What good question? Write the unitary subset of A. A is contained 1, 3, 2, 7. Subset means what? We can write A containing each element, first 1. If we can write separately, like 1, 3, 2, 7. 1, 1. First A 1, 2, 3, 7. Then we can write 2 values 1, 3, 2, 7, like that. Okay. Now write the subset relation between the set. P set of resident is Pune. M is subset of Madhya Pradesh. I is set of resident in Indore. B set of resident in India. H is subset of resident in Maharashtra. Means here which thing is bigger? I think India is bigger. Means India contain every subset since is contained in India. So all resident Pune, resident in Maharashtra and also resident in India. We can have P subset of H and P subset of B. First question, P lies where? Maharashtra, and P lies inside where? India. P subset of H and P subset of B. Third one, M is set of Maharashtra in Madhya Pradesh. So M lies where? In India. So M subset of B. So I subset of M and I subset of B. Next one, all resident in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh is also resident in India. So M subset of B and S subset of B. Okay. 6. Which set can be universal set for all? So which set universal for all? India. Means everything is coming together in India. Next question 6.1. Which set is the could be universal set for all the given set? Set of 8 multiple of 5. B set of multiple of 7. C set of multiple of 12. We can write this A table is what? 5, 10, 20, 7, 14, 28, then 12, 24, 36. So we know n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 natural number. B this one and C this one. But it contains only natural number. For this, it contains natural number, whole number and integer. N contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 natural number. This. So for given this set, for given set ABC, we can write natural number, whole number and integer universal set. For this three set, natural number is also universal set, whole number is also universal, because whole number also contains these values, integer also contains these values. Okay. Next one, P set of integer which multiple of 4 and T set of all square number. P is what? 4. Multiple means table of 4. 4, 8, 16, 12, 16, 20 like that. T is what? All square number means 4 square of 2, 16 square of 4, 36 square of 6 like that. And we know this value is coming in what? Which number? Natural number is 1, 2, 3. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. This also subset of what? Whole number, natural number or universal or integer universal set. 7. Let all the student of class is an universal set. Let A be the student of B who scored 50% or more marks in maths. Then write the complement of A. Is a 50% student containing the more mark. So less than 50 containing the less mark. Give the universal set of all student class. The student 50% and above in the maths given marks class. 8. Complement the set of students scoring less than 50% marks from the given class. If the 50% student scoring the more marks, then opposite of that means A complements 50% student are scoring less than the marks. Okay. Now copy it on your notebook.